Hi, Meital Taub here with Livel Real Estate.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Fry.
And welcome to this incredible North Laguna home where mid-century architecture meets stunning ocean views. We cannot wait to show you around.
I'm so excited to share this inviting home. Sits on a cul-de-sac and epitomizes the indoor-outdoor living with this amazing pool.
Light and bright open floor plan with walls of glass overlooking the ocean.
Let's talk about the fireworks display that you'll enjoy on July 4th. Not to mention Catalina views and your extraordinary 180 from the Strand leading all the way down to Huntington Beach. The kitchen opens up to the great room, which also allows deck access, and the views of the Pacific are really stunning.
The ocean views are absolutely breathtaking from every corner. Can you envision an upgraded version of this property? Bedrooms on 2,100 square feet approximately, and all on single level.
And the view truly does speak for itself. So whether you're entertaining underneath the stars or taking a dip in the saltwater pool, we really look forward to seeing you here at 567 Dunnegan Place.
Please connect with us for more information.